Hello, and thank you for having a look at this case study. So, Mad HR, let's start with who they are. They are a HR consultancy based in Suffolk, Essex, Norfolk, and Cambridgeshire in the UK, and they service the whole country with some online products and service those counties, which are called East Anglia, in person. They provide HR strategy assistance, compliance assistance, all the good human resources stuff. So why did they come to us? Well, they were building a new website and they wanted some SEO insight for that. So we had a look at the website that they had currently and noticed there was an awful lot of content. So right, lock that one away for later. There is a lot of content. I think at the time there was maybe 300 blog posts. Now the person that they'd hired to build the new website was a guy called James Kindred, who we've worked with lots of times here at SEO. He's a really good developer and a UX expert, so user experience expert. He also happens to be the founder of a brewery, which is interesting, but maybe I'll talk to you about that another time. So we did what we always do when we help someone build a new website. We did a lot of keyword research, and we used that to inform partly the structure of the site, but also the words that we used in the navigation and page titles and all of that good stuff. So basically you do your keyword research and then you apply it to the site. Now, as soon as this site was launched, it's a WordPress site. It was already kind of much faster, much easier to use than the old one. And because James is such a good developer, James Kindred, he put a strong focus on core web vitals. So just making sure the website operated correctly, especially in a way that Google really likes. From that point on, once the site had launched, we went through all the content. We improved the interlinking between the articles. We helped schedule more content using the keyword research. We looked for opportunities to write articles that answered the questions that people were searching Google on. So, I mean, it's a fairly standard practice SEO thing or just good content thing. You write things that is the answer to the problems people are having, especially if you find a pain point, which in HR there often is. So the content strategy has been really intense. This is about 2 years ago the site went live, and Mad HR are prolific writers. They write and write and write, and it's to a really good standard. These guys really do know what they're talking about. They are the real deal. In fact, it's a real joy to work with a client who is able to generate so much content. I think everybody who works at Mad HR has written articles on the site. So that's the long and the short of what we did. Obviously, there's constant SEO attention, so constantly keeping an eye on things like Google Search Console and analytics isn't just for reporting. Google Analytics isn't just for reporting, it's for looking for opportunities for SEO optimizations. And of course, we ran an ongoing rolling SEO audit, which we do for all our clients. To be fair, all SEO agencies do that. We're just checking the site is as healthy as it can be. There's no broken links. It's kind of cosmetic stuff, but again, by keeping close attention on the site, it gave us the opportunity to spot areas where we could make improvements. So the net result was, if we compare the amount of traffic Mad HR website had when we started working with them, which is roughly end of 2019, beginning of 2020, and that's when the site went live. We compare the number of visitors to the website then to now, it's nearly doubled. The number of keywords that the website ranks for has shot up. Google understands what's on this website. The client's really happy, because why wouldn't they be? If we look at this graph, actually, we can see that when you generate good content, it naturally will result in more backlinks, because people will want to link to good content. They want to use some of what you've written and credit you as a source. So that's where the backlinks go up. So we've recently started or recently completed an interesting further quite deep optimization project for this client. So you never know, maybe I'll be making another case study in the future telling you that the traffic is now tenfold. That would be cool, wouldn't it? So thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting. Any questions, get in touch with us through yeseo.io. Make comments, say hello. We're friendly people. Cheers. Thanks for watching.